Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. This is now getting suspicious. Full stop. What looked like rank incompetence about a year ago is now beginning to smack of malfeasance. Full stop. In case you have not had a chance to follow how this government is repeatedly fumbling the business of LNG imports, here is a snapshot of the latest episode on Tuesday. Full stop. There are many more. Full stop. New paragraph. In mid-July, Pakistan State Oil tendered in the spot markets for one cargo of LNG to be delivered in August. Full stop. When the bids came, they were priced above 27% of crude. Full stop. So, if the price under the long-term contract translated to $9.6 per unit, the spot price in July that Pakistan received in response to its tender was above $20, which would make it the most expensive LNG ever to be purchased by the country and possibly in the world at that time. Full stop. PSO says it scrapped the bid and decided to tender again on August 5 in hopes of fetching a better price. Full stop. New paragraph. But somehow the price ended up getting notified by the oil and gas regulator OGRA 5 days later on August 2 and stayed notified until this newspaper carried it in a story. Full stop. Consider how the system works to understand this properly. Full stop. There are two entities in Pakistan that are authorized to buy LNG, PSO and Pakistan LNG Limited, or PLL for short. Full stop. The country's requirement is communicated to them and they float tenders in global LNG markets asking for bids for delivery on the specified dates. Full stop. Once the bids come in, they approve some, reject others, and forward an LNG price determination to OGRA, telling the regulator this is the price at which we will be getting LNG for the forthcoming month. Full stop. New paragraph. The price determination document is quite detailed, consisting not just of the price at which the LNG is being bought, but many other costs that are itemized in painstaking detail, like transmission losses, retainage fees, margins allowed to PSO and PLL, as well as the terminal operators who regasify this LNG and inject it into the country's distribution network. Full stop.